Hello from Cookbook Divas. My name is Carrie, and I'm extra excited to look through and review this cookbook with you today, Near and Far, Recipes Inspired by Home and Travel, because it's by Heidi Swanson, who's the author of my very, 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 very favorite cooking blog and food blog and recipe blog, 101cookbooks.com. Love it! And I follow her on Facebook, and wow! So let's check it out. I never thought to get her cookbook. I went to the library and was like, what's this? Came out in 2015. 10-speed press. Let's check out the table of contents with an incredibly tiny font. Ah! Near, San Francisco. En route, far, Morocco, Japan, Italy, France, and India. If the font is going to be this small, I better grab some glasses. Doesn't she know her readers are old like me? Okay. Near, beautiful photo. Talking about San Francisco. Oh, here's all the recipes she's going to share from this area. Ooh, my San Francisco pantry. Okay. A view of the city fogged in. Typical. You gotta love San Francisco. First recipe of the book, cucumber salad. I like to read those recipes because I have cucumbers in the house all the time. I love eating them. I chop them up to put them in the salad. Then I'm like, now what? I don't know. I can't just eat it plain. Fennel stew. Easy little rye bread. Cute. Red lentil hummus. Wow, it doesn't look very red. Wow, interesting. A sprout salad. Okay, is this a healthy eating cookbook? Leek soup. Looks way different than the leek soup I make, so I'm curious to see what all this is on the top, but I don't have time because you and I have to keep looking through this book. Yellow wax beans. I have to skip ahead because I can't show you the whole book. Here's a spicy green soup. Cauliflower pasta, mung bean stew, carrot chopped salad, or cara, I'm not sure. Rye pound cake. What? Huh, okay. I'd eat that. Buttermilk cakes. Oh, here they are. Not my favorite food picture. That doesn't look very appealing, but I'm sure they're delicious. Frittata, quinoa blini, kind of a depressing photo of San Francisco. Whole wheat waffles. Well, back in 2015, this gray and white dark aesthetic was in cookbooks, so it's okay. Little koi curd. I have no idea what that is. Looks good. Ricotta breakfast bowl. Okay, are we going to get to another country? I see a Pim's cup and a strawberry salad. I'm not sure what chapter we're in. Oh, we're still in San Francisco. It says at the bottom. Yay, that's helpful. Okay. En route. What does that mean? Chive dumplings, spring rolls, brown sugar and tofu mushrooms, ginger onion paste, and strong ginger snaps. Okay, not a lot of pictures. Here's the ginger snaps. Okay. Next chapter. Far. Yay! Morocco. I love Moroccan food. Okay, pictures of Morocco. Kind of depressing and hard to see. I'm not a fan. Her Moroccan pantry. Here's some Moroccan tile. Saffron honey, begrir. Here's some flatbreads on the stove. Fresh tomato salad, gorgeous. See, when I bitch about the other pictures because they're depressing, this makes up for it. Gorgeous, looks beautiful, colorful, delicious. Chicory soup, I bet that's amazing. Grated cucumber salad. We're still in Morocco. Saffron tagine, but no picture of it. Harira. Dried fruit salad. Herb jam, ginger blossom water. Where are we now? Roasted tomato salad. We're still in Morocco. Yellow couscous. There's something. Roasted winter squash. Yum. Okay, prickly pear cooler. Now I think we're moving regions now. Japan, her Japanese pantry. Depressing picture of Japan. Miso oat porridge. Not what I would reach for in the morning. Nori granola. That's interesting. A simple salad. Beautiful. Baby radishes and nori butter. Broiled miso tofu. Yum, yum, yum. That I would eat for breakfast. And lunch and dinner. Turmeric miso soup. Carrot and sake salad. Wow. Okay. Plum wine sparkler. Sake glazed mushrooms. I hadn't thought of cooking them with that. Watermelon radish soup. Ooh. Does that sound good? Let me know in the comments. Brussels sprouts. Simmered winter squash. I love Japanese winter squash recipes. Shiso gin and tonic. Root Donburi. Now we're moving to Italy, where Heidi must have traveled to get inspiration for all these recipes. Again, let's keep the travel photography more cheerful next time, please. Okay, Italian Pantry. Can't even really see. Is that what Italy looks like? It doesn't make me want to go there. I could see that in Eastern Washington for free every summer. Farro salad. Ricotta crespel. Looks like a crepe. Radicchio salad. There's lots of salads in this book. Healthy eating. Grilled porcini mushrooms. Yum. A fennel frond orzo, but no pictures. Brown butter tortelli. Yum. Eggs in purgatory 2 ways. Okay. Biscottini. Almond cake. Now we're in France. I'm not going to show you the depressing pictures of France because I know they're depressing. And here's a baby artichoke salad. Looks amazing. How about wine-washed arugula? Tartines. I love tartines. So cute. Gougères. I love making those. I definitely check out her recipe because I know she's tested it amazingly. Lettuce hearts with melted butter. Madeleines. Not my favorite dessert. I'll skip that one. Vin berries. Sabayon. Now we're in India for the final chapter of the book. Okay. Ooh! India doesn't get a depressing travel photo. They get a colorful one. Yay, they deserve it. For India Pantry. Okay, what is the... Oh, there's a sag paneer recipe. And aloo bhaji. And mustard seed oil fried eggs. Basam. Not sure what that is, but I'll go back and look when I'm off camera. We're taking some tours of India, gin and tonics, and we're done. Okay, well, my favorite cookbook blogger didn't make my favorite cookbook because the photography is kind of dark and weird, but the food that I wanted to make looks so good, and the pictures of that food were good. So all in all, I'd say definitely check this out. This is Near and Far Recipes Inspired by Home and Travel by Heidi Swanson of 101cookbooks.com. And I am Carrie with Cookbook Divas. You can find us on our website. I'll let you Google it if you can't figure it out. We have a podcast where we chat about new cookbooks. And we're on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Pinterest. Thanks so much for watching all the way to the end. Wow. Bye.